If you already pay for SuperGrok Heavy, this limited offer says you can claim 1 month of Cursor Ultra for free. That is the real deal shown in the supplied eligibility screen. It is not permanent Cursor Ultra, it is not a general giveaway, and it is definitely not proof that anyone can buy $1,100 of subscriptions for $50. The post that surfaced this offer makes a much bigger promise. It says Cursor Ultra is free, suggests finding Grok Heavy for as little as $50, then adds 3 months of Heavy to 1 month of Cursor Ultra and calls the result a 96% discount. None of that math appears in the eligibility screen. The screen proves a narrower promotion. Your SuperGrok Heavy subscription must be active, the email must match, authorization is required, and the free Cursor Ultra period is 1 month. It also says the offer is available for a limited time. That distinction matters because the headline can make 2 separate products look like one permanent bundle. The first-party Grok Bot page says Grok Bot itself is included if you already have Cursor Ultra or SuperGrok Heavy. That is the normal plan relationship. The supplied screen adds a temporary bridge in the other direction, 1 month of Cursor Ultra for an active SuperGrok Heavy subscriber. So Grok Bot access and the temporary Cursor Ultra promotion are related, but they are not the same benefit. There is another reason to stay inside the official path. Cursor warns that subscriptions should be purchased through Cursor.com and that third-party purchases may be unauthorized, fraudulent, insecure, suspended, or terminated. The social post's $50 shortcut is not supported by the official evidence in this packet, so I would not recommend buying discounted credentials, shared accounts, or mystery subscriptions just to chase this offer. A free month is not worth losing account security or access. If you already have SuperGrok Heavy at the normal price, the claim process shown is simple. Install or open Grok Bot. Sign in with the same email used for your active Heavy subscription. Choose the Cursor Ultra Access option and complete authorization. Because this is a live limited-time promotion, confirm the exact terms on the eligibility screen before you approve anything. Do not assume the benefit will renew, stack, transfer, or remain available after the stated month. What are you actually getting during that month? Cursor Ultra is listed at $200 per month. Grok Bot is the more interesting connection. XAI presents it as an always-on teammate that can work through real apps and websites from a persistent cloud computer. In the official demo, you message a bot with a task, let it sign into the relevant tools, watch it move through the workflow, and receive a completed result or an approval request. The product also pitches routines, where you demonstrate a repeated process once and let the bot run it later. That makes the offer useful as a trial window, not just a coupon. A current Heavy subscriber can use the month to test whether Cursor Ultra and Grok Bot improve a real workflow. Pick one bounded task with a visible result, such as triaging an engineering issue, preparing a sales follow-up queue, or collecting structured research across approved sources. Keep permissions narrow, require review before consequential actions, and measure whether the completed work saves more time than the setup and supervision consume. The official material does not prove long-run reliability. It does not show how the bot handles account lockouts, CAPTCHAs, ambiguous approvals, changing websites, or a confident result that is simply wrong. It also does not prove that the 1-month promotion will be offered to every account or remain available after this video. This is vendor material and a supplied eligibility screen, not a hands-on redemption test of the claim flow. So who should claim it? If your SuperGrok Heavy subscription is already active, your account shows the 1-month offer, and you have a specific workflow to test, the marginal cost appears to be 0 and the trial can be worthwhile. Use the same email, stay on official sign-in pages, and screenshot the terms before authorizing. Who should skip it? If you would buy SuperGrok Heavy only to receive 1 free month of Cursor Ultra, the standard plan economics are weak. If the promotion does not appear inside your own account, do not buy a third-party workaround. And if your work requires high-confidence recovery, strict auditability, or sensitive credentials, do not treat a limited beta promotion as proof that the agent is production-ready. My verdict is simple. The 1-month Cursor Ultra offer for eligible SuperGrok Heavy subscribers appears real based on the supplied screen, and it is a useful bonus for people already paying for Heavy. The viral $1,100 value story is not the deal. The honest deal is one temporary month, one matching account, and one chance to test whether the combined workflow is actually valuable to you.